Welcome everybody. Today we are cooking rice. First, switch on the lever to full power and pull out the canister. In case the canister is empty, we will fill it with 1 liter of Greenergy ethanol fuel. Make sure you store the fuel away from the stove and from children. Fill the fuel in the canister slowly to avoid spillage and then wipe off the excess fuel. Then open the lid of your Greenergy pressure cooker and measure out 2 cups of rice before washing it. Add your rice to the pressure cooker. To 2 cups of rice, we are adding 3 cups of water. If you cook more than 2 cups of rice, please add water in a ratio of 2 to 3, but don't fill water above the bolts, otherwise the water might ooze out the top. Now add salt according to your preference. Before closing the lid of the pressure cooker, make sure the pressure nozzle is clean by holding it in front of a light source and see if light passes through. To close the pressure cooker, please align the arrow on the lid with the handle of the pressure cooker body. Then turn it, squeeze both handles together and lock it in place. Now we will light the stove. Make sure you don't leave a matchstick on the canister so it stays clean and doesn't clog up. Then wait 5 to 10 seconds before pushing the canister in firmly. Make sure it is locked in place. Once it is cooking and you hear the first whistle, you should reduce the lever of the stove to half. This will help to save fuel since the pressure is already built up inside the cooker. After 2 whistles, you can switch off the stove. To ensure it is really off, turn it on and off again. Allow the pressure cooker to cool down for 20 minutes. The rice will keep cooking inside of it without consuming additional fuel. The rice is now fully cooked and ready to eat. Our cooking time was 12 minutes, and we used 75 milliliters of ethanol fuel. This adds up to a cooking cost of only 300 Ugandan shillings. Save time and reduce costs with our innovative cooking solution, a combination of our ethanol cook stoves and pressure cookers. Thank you for watching and welcome to the Greenergy family.